Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Noni. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Noni. I'm your favorite YouTuber. If you're old here and you've not clicked on the subscribe button, guys, why now? Please click on the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram as well, okay? Same name, Noni Ojako. So guys, this video is going to be a vlog. I'm going to be carrying you through what I'll be doing throughout this week. This week I have a lot of things ongoing. I have chores to attend to. Like, I have a lot of things. So even as I'm speaking with you now, I'm actually in Diob. This place is known for electrical gadgets, like they fix electrical things, electronics, fridge, fan, a lot of things. So I came here to sell off an old fridge that I have, and I'm going to get a new one. I'm tired of fixing that fridge. In fact, I've not really fixed it, but it's just that I do not want to indulge in fixing the fridge. So I'm going to sell it and then go get a new one today. And I'm also going to buy amala. There's this place I'm going to stop to buy amala, so I think I'll buy the amala on my way back, okay? And yeah, that is it. So guys, I'm going to take you through all that I'll be doing today, tomorrow, and next, okay? So don't mind this, my bad hair is really old, I know. I'm supposed to loosen it today, but see me now, I have a lot of things to do, so hopefully I'll be able to loosen it tomorrow. Okay, everybody's just looking at me and I'm not used to holding camera like this, even though I'm still in the car. I was supposed to come down and walk around with the camera, but guys, if you know Diob, you understand my fear. You understand why I'm afraid of walking along the road with the camera. But let's see how it goes, okay?
Feeling behind my eyes, you stood out cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. That we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd. And now I can't imagine me with anybody else, as we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. 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 you be close. I will wait as long as it's fake.
Camera. Now, wow, my whole crayfish don't wait.
I'm all the sins that you can't confess. I'm just your ghost if we're not undressed. A part of me wish that we never met, but you act like we never. Got too wasted in the bathroom of your parents' house. Then you kissed me in the backseat of a taxi ride. And we said things that were cheesy, but we meant them. There were feelings, and now you deny it. You're in love with the idea of me, but you're not in my reality. Find it hard to even picture it, 'cause my reality ain't your reality, no. The sins that you can't confess. I'm just your ghost if we're not undressed. A part of me wish that we never met, but you act like we never. Got too wasted in the bathroom of your parents' house. Then you kissed me in the backseat of a taxi ride. And we said things that were cheesy, but we meant them. There were feelings, and now you deny it. You're in love with the idea of me, but you're not in my reality. Find it hard to even picture it, 'cause my reality ain't your reality, no.
Guys, what exactly do you want me to do for you before you come and take care of your skin? Want me to fry egg? See my skin. See skin. Lego German chanwa. Akugo. Elewe jo. Just Lego di my skin.
Careful with your pretty eyes and run with me. You're young. 'Cause you and I are a secret.
Hey.
Bye.
Bye. Hi guys, good morning. Hi guys. So I'm at work.
That is how it is done. When you are looking at content.
Mean sum of squares. Guys, okay, so I'm in school and I want to write exam. Cheese! Guys, so see now.
Careful with your pretty eyes and run with me. You're young.
Guys, the girl has finally finished. Hey, I'm so happy. First semester done. Just see me now. I look so worn out. See my eyes. Last week was something else for me. I was literally having like 3-4 hours sleep per day. It's not easy. I don't know who sent me to go back to school. I'm super excited that I finished this exam and I can't wait to see my clients. I had to push the appointment to this week that is coming. And guess what, guys? My birthday is coming soon. My birthday is actually next week Sunday, so I don't even know how I'm going to feel about it. I just feel like I'm getting older by the day, and my dear, it's getting scary, but we move. Okay guys, so I think I'm going to end this vlog here because it's just too long now and I need to just end it so I'll be able to move on to something else. So people are actually staring at me now. That's why I'm just that's why it's awkward. Okay guys, I'm planning to end this vlog here, so please try to follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, just do all of those stuff for me. Okay, bye.